Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can use assistant without unlocking your phone in Redmi device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press assistant, click on settings, and friends here it is, you can see lock screen. Click on lock screen. Here you have to add responses on lock screen and click on this. Also get personal result when you activate your assistant without saying hey Google, like tapping your screen. You can also add this, and you can also enable this allow assistant to respond when your phone is locked. To get personal result like your contacts or messages, say okay hey Google, so that assistant can recognize your voice. And friends, you can just enable this, and without unlocking your phone it will hear you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.